Spending, growing, and giving. Once money comes into your hands, you have three choices. You can spend it, grow it, or give it. And the smartest people in the world do a little of all three. Spending is the easiest to understand. It's when you exchange money for things you want or need. Needs: food, clothes, shelter. Wants: gadgets, games, vacations. Spending makes life comfortable and fun. But remember, if you spend everything, nothing is left for tomorrow. Growing money means saving and investing it so it becomes more in the future. Ways to grow money include saving in a bank account, earning interest, investing in stocks, mutual funds, or even starting a business. This is how ordinary money turns into wealth, by letting time and smart choices grow it. If you save 100 Indian rupees with 10% growth, in 1 year it becomes 110 Indian rupees. That's money working for you, even while you sleep. Money isn't just for ourselves. Giving helps others and builds a kinder world. Donations to charities, helping a friend in need. Even small acts, like sharing lunch or gifting books. Many billionaires pledge huge portions of their wealth to giving, because money's true value shines when it's shared. A healthy money life means balancing. Spend enough to live and enjoy. Grow enough to secure your future. Give enough to make a difference. So now you know the three money paths: spending, growing, and giving. But who manages the giant flow of money in a whole country? In the next episode, we'll explore the role of governments and money.